Linking your bank account to Amazon Prime Video allows for seamless payments for subscriptions and rentals. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, locate the account and list option at the top right corner. Click on it, then select your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access payment options. In your account settings, find the Payments section. Click on it to view your current payment methods and options to add new ones. Step 4. Add your bank account. Select the option to add a payment method. Choose bank account and enter the required details such as your bank name, account number, and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review it for accuracy. Click on Save or Confirm to link your bank account to your Amazon Prime Video account. Now you are all set to enjoy your Amazon Prime Video experience with your bank account linked for easy payments.